Hello, this is Andrew with the Jander Group. Today we're in Cordova, Tennessee, in the Sutton Place subdivision. This is 1621 Sawmill Creek Lane. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. Does have a finished bonus room, approximately 2,125 square feet. We'll enter into the home on the tiled landing area. This is an open floor plan concept with the great room connected to the kitchen area as well as the formal dining room. First, we are viewing the formal dining room area, which then connects into the great room. The great room does have a wood burning fireplace, ceiling fan, flows directly into the breakfast area, or also called an informal dining area. Directly into the kitchen, which comes with all your standard appliances. Side-by-side refrigerator, smooth top range stove, microwave, and dishwasher. There are vaulted ceilings in all these main areas, including the kitchen, and the great room and the dining room. In the kitchen, there is a small pantry. Going back towards the front of the home is a hallway that leads into the garage, upstairs to the bonus room, and then your laundry room area. Ample space for standard clothes washer and dryer. This is a split floor plan with the master bedroom on one side of the home and bedrooms 2 and 3 on the other. We'll enter the master bedroom now. It does have vaulted ceilings, ceiling fan, viewing the master closet now. And there's a separate door that leads into the master bathroom. Bathroom does have a separate jetted tub, separate shower, dual sinks, and plenty of cabinet space. Next, we'll walk to the other side of the home to view bedrooms 2 and 3. They're separated by a hall bathroom. First, on the front of the home is bedroom number 2. It does have the standard dual door closet. As previously mentioned, bedrooms 2 and 3 are separated by the hall bathroom, which has a shower tub combo. Now we are viewing bedroom 3. Lastly, we'll go upstairs to view the bonus room. It's off the tiled hallway that leads into the garage. Here is the bonus room. As you can see, there's ample space to use this as a separate gathering area, office. Thank you for viewing 1621 Sawmill Creek with us today.